People ask me all the time why we created Aces Elite. It's simple. I have seen so many people get burned by car dealers, high-performance shops, or they claim they're a high-performance shop. I've seen restorative companies not do good work. I've seen body shops do very poor work. I own a car collection. I have several very high-end vehicles. Myself, personally, I have dealt with some of the craziest things you could ever deal with. Promises not fulfilled, colors that don't match, going for an oil leak, still have the same oil leak. The reason why I decided to do this and found this wonderful company was recently a super close friend of mine had his vehicle repaired at a facility where they claim they took parts off, they did not. They refinished the car, did not refinish the entire areas they claim that they were doing. They didn't replace certain shields underneath the vehicle that they said they replaced. That just sent me over the edge. I said, this can no longer happen out there. There has to be a company that literally listens to their client, creates a solution, and then executes on that solution 100%. At Aces Elite, it's not about flashy logos or empty promises. It's about 3 core values that guide every decision we make. First core value is accountability. Accountability to myself means everything. I must hold myself accountable, my team's accountable, and we're accountable to everything that we do. If we said we did it, we did it. If you want it, we do it. That is accountability. At the end of the day, there are no excuses. Second is authenticity. Myself personally, what you see is what you get. We arrive for you as we are, and we complete everything as you expect. We are real people that love these machines, and we love the people that drive them. Third is love. Yes, love. We love the cars, we love this community, and we love the chance to take care of what matters most to you. When you bring your car to Aces Elite, you're not just another client. You are trusting us with something that you care deeply about. In turn, we take your vehicle and we treat it like it's our own. We honor that trust with integrity, precision, and heart. I would like to challenge you to reach into your own values and ask yourself what matters most. Trust should be everything. If accountability, authenticity, and love matter to you, I invite you to come to Aces Elite and experience what we have to offer. Let us show you what it takes to move anxiety into confidence. One conversation, one car at a time. I'm Jim with Aces Elite, and we hope to see you soon.